Sometimes it can be really stressful to wear a mask for like 8 hours like this for a long day because your ears suffer. And I will explain a nice method to resolve this. Let's see. So you will just need a hair tie and 2 clips. It's really easy to realize this. You just have to put a clip like this on the hair tie from both sides. You can use big clips or tiny clips depending on the size of your head. And then you just have to put the mask like this and like this. Okay, and so your mask is ready, and so you can easily wear your mask like this. Remember, put the hair tie not on the ears. Very good.